Combining photos into a sleek, shareable video can really bring memories to life, and CapCut makes it incredibly easy to do just that. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through every step of the process, from gathering your favorite images all the way to exporting a polished photo montage you'll be proud to share. By the end, you'll be able to turn a handful of static photos into a dynamic, visually engaging video, perfect for social media, special occasions, or family keepsakes. Let's jump right in. First things first, go ahead and open up CapCut on your mobile device or your PC. Whether you're brand new to this app or you've used it a couple times before, starting a new project is always the same. Simply tap New Project. It's your door to creativity for today. This opens the Media Import screen, which is your launchpad for bringing in all the photos you want to combine. Now, let's import your photos. I recommend organizing the images beforehand so you already know the order you'd like them to appear. In CapCut, find the Photos or Image tab inside your media library. It's usually near the top or side of the screen. Select each photo you want in your project. You can tap one by one or hold down and select a batch if your device allows. Don't worry too much about perfect order here. You'll be able to rearrange them soon. Once you've highlighted all your chosen images, just tap Add. They'll pop right onto your editing timeline, lined up and ready to go. Here's where you get to shape the flow of your montage. Your photos are now combined into a single video sequence on the timeline. If you find a photo is out of place, just tap and hold that photo's clip until you see it pop up a little, then drag it left or right to its new spot. CapCut will automatically adjust the other clips as you move things around. It's kind of like rearranging books on a shelf. Easy, satisfying, and you get full control over the story you're telling. Next up, let's fine-tune how long each photo sits on screen. By default, CapCut usually sets each photo to display for around 3 seconds. Depending on your project, a fast-paced TikTok versus a slow, sentimental slideshow, you'll probably want to tweak these timings a bit. To do this, tap on a photo clip in your timeline. Then, simply drag the right edge to make it shorter or longer. Alternatively, if you're on mobile, there's a duration button in the toolbar. Tap that and type in the precise number of seconds you want. Take your time here. Sometimes a moment looks better when it lingers, and sometimes a quick flash is just right. To really make your combined photos pop, you can add some transitions or effects. Between each photo clip on the timeline, you'll see a little white box or a vertical line. Tap that to open the Transitions menu. Here, you'll find styles like Fade In, Mix, or Crossfade. Pick one that suits your video's mood and adjust the transition length to make things smooth but not distracting. You can also take things further with music or a voiceover. Just head to the Audio tab and choose a track or record yourself narrating the photo story. For text and effects, the menus are right there and offer tons of options. Add a caption, try a filter, or sprinkle in some animation to reflect your unique style. Finally, when you're happy with how everything looks and sounds, it's time to export. Tap the Export button, usually an upward-pointing arrow in the top corner. Choose your desired resolution and frame rate, higher for social media, lower for quicker sharing. Then tap Export again. In just a minute or two, your video montage will be saved to your device's gallery, ready for sharing. And there you have it, your photos, beautifully combined in CapCut for any occasion. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please hit the like button. And don't hesitate to drop any questions or suggestions in the comments below. Subscribe if you'd love more tutorials on creative editing and making your media truly stand out. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.